Well, hey guys, it's time for episode 5 of What's in the Package. This is Sinister with the Drone Network coming at you. And this package was sent to me by a very special friend of mine. You guys know him. It's Chris Justice, Md95tsi. And let's get into the box here and see what we've got.
Let me hold the camera.
Yeah, hold the camera, Jack. But keep it steady in the box. Okay. So we're going to very carefully cut this. Now again, I know some of what's in here, but I don't know all of what's in here.
I do too.
Because okay, Jack. Alright. Stop.
I'm the most excited.
Alright.
Excited person out of this.
Sorry, guys. Alright. So, let's get into the box here. Yeah. I'll get it, Jack.
Okay.
Let's put this aside. Look at that. Tons of bubble wrap. Okay, so let's see. We got some dowel props here. These are 50-46. Jack, move. Get off the table. Get off the table. I need to set stuff there. Thank you. So we got 1, 2, 3,
And what is that?
4,
Oh, I see the loop.
5. 5 packs of dowel props. Excellent. Alright, so next item here. A little whoop. A little camera in there. Very cool. Look at that. I have to do some FPV whoop action with that. What do you think, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's put that down over here. Alright. Oh! Well, we got a controller. It looks like the thumbstick didn't survive. That's alright. We'll figure something out. Let's put that over there. What else we got here? Alright. Now we've got the Parrot Sumo. The jumping sumo. Very cool. Have some fun with that, Jack.
Yeah, I will.
Very cool. Alright. Here's the Parrot Spider.
Ah, that's so cool.
Very cool. Here, because I know you want to see it. Alright, now we got a little bag of stuff here. Looks like some 3S lipos.
I see the camera.
45C. Okay. And some batteries, looks like for the whoop, for the tiny whoop there. Very, very, very cool. So I'll put these over here by that. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, this is what I've been waiting on. The Fly Sky.
What is it?
This is the transmitter I'm going to use from now on.
Is it the one that binds to everything?
No. No. Very, very cool. Alright, somewhere in here. Jack, relax. Okay, so looks like we got a battery just chilling here.
There's another battery and another
Okay,
battery.
I got it, buddy. Oh, look at that. Chris, you dirty dog, you. You heard me talking about needing a lanyard, and you send me one. And it's a Tyrannus one. Look at that. Wow. Cool. Very cool. This is the antenna. That's for... Okay, I know what that's for. Set that to the side. Alright. Here's some type of... Oh, okay. This is a balance charger for the whoops. Okay. This is like Christmas. Some battery straps. Wow, cool. Another battery strap. Oh, look at that. FPV noob tube. Josh and Chuck. Very cool. Save that for later. What do we got here? Put antenna back on before putting batteries in. Okay, yeah, I got you there. That's just kind of... Alright. What's that to? What does that look like, Jack?
It's 3.
Yeah, but what does it look like, though? What does it look like a transmitter for?
The bug's 3.
No,
the bug's 2C.
Bug something. Here's that little thing for the remote for the whoop. I'll have to figure something out with that. Maybe glue it back on or something. We'll figure that out. Okay, now let's get in here. What's in here? Let's open this up. Oh wow, we got some cameras in here, guys. Hang on, I'm gonna sit down and try to. Okay, hang on. Let's see here. Here's a little FPV camera here. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to consult Chris on it. I'm sure he knows I'm going to call him after I do this video. Here's a little camera with a VTX in here.
No, it's a small
It's got a cloverleaf antenna in there. So I have to throw that in something. And here's another little micro camera here. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright. Let's put this to the side. Let's go back to the box over here. Oh, this is that module for the i6. FSI6 to plug in for the protocols for the toy grades and stuff. It's an iRange module. So I'll have to mess with that. We've got a lot of homework to do here with some of this stuff here. So let's see, here's some more batteries. Oh, there's tons of goodies in here, man. Wow. Well, we'll see. We'll get into it. What is
that?
Yeah.
Oh, I betcha. That's I think the parrot spider wheels. It kind of looks like it. Here.
Yeah, we'll see. I'll ask. Some more battery straps. TeamBlackSheep.com. Very cool. Crazy Pony. Very cool. We got a lot of battery straps here. What do we have here? Oh, wow. Look at this. What is that? Little TPU mount there. This is an SQ12 camera. Look at this. Wow. Haha. Very, very cool, brother. Wow. Okay. All right, Jack. Let's get down to the bottom here. Oh, hang on. There's another little piece here. Got a straggler of some sort. We'll figure out what that's for. All right. First things first.
I see the 6.
And you guys have seen this on Chris's channel before. This is the MJX Bugs 2C on the carbon frame. This is going to go to you right there. What do you think, Jack?
I love this thing. You can see it cut the props.
Yeah, turn it down so I don't hit the standoffs. Very cool. Very, very cool.
What?
We'll figure some stuff out. Yeah, we'll figure some stuff out.
The camera's not in it.
All right. And this last one down here.
I know what that is.
This is for me right here.
Ooh,
look at that. This is what Chris has referred to as old school. This is a ZMR. No. Back up. That's a LHI 250 build. This is old school right here. It's got a CC3D flight controller in it. ESCs. So this one here is a Libre Pilot programmable deal. So this is going to be some learning for me here. And that's what those 3S batteries that you saw me take out earlier are for. So we got to get into that. So, but yeah, I'm going to put a camera on this one. I've got some XT60 charger leads coming from Amazon Prime that should be here tomorrow and be able to charge up those 3S batteries. And we're going to take this out to the field and I'm going to rip it. So he told me this would be a good bird to learn acro on, so this is what we're going to do.
And I'm going to rip this.
And then I'll get the FR Sky receiver in the Tiny Hawk, and we'll get that going since I messed up that receiver on the factory board. So, Chris, I can't thank you enough, brother. This is great, man. I mean, look at it's like Christmas.
You
Really
are
appreciate
awesome,
it.
Chris.
This camera, wow,
Crystal.
that was a big time bonus right there, man. Because now I can strap this on pretty much anything and get some footage. So I don't have to record to the DVR and the Fat Shark. So that'll be nice.
I have one
Get
thing
an
to
SD
say.
card. What do you want to say?
You guys are awesome, Chris and Crystal.
There you go. There you go. Happy camper. So we'll put an FPV camera on this thing, and then
I'm gonna rip.
Jack, you can strap your Ghost Action cam that you got for Chris. We can strap it on
Yeah,
top,
we
and you
strap
can record it.
right
Yeah,
here. No, right here.
we'll figure that out. I think that's a GPS module on top, so we don't want to mess with that. So,
I know, right
well, guys, thanks for watching. I'm absolutely thrilled. I can't wait to. We got a weekend of just going through stuff here and getting stuff up and running, and it's gonna be fun. So, I'll catch you guys later.
Peace.